Hey all, I'm Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this everything wig from Unice hair, and I'm just going to be showing you guys what comes along with the wig. So it did come with 2 wig caps, and it also came with a little demonstration on their bye-bye knots, and it just kind of shows you the difference between regular knots and their bye-bye knots, which they came up with. It comes with the robe, and it also comes with their new invisible ear tape. And this is a glueless wig, but these tabs just help keep your wig in place, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how they work later on in the video, but I did just want to put one on to show you how sticky they are and how nicely they will hold your wig and make sure that it don't go nowhere. Like, look at how good this holds. And I love that this is a good alternative to not having to put glue in your hair. Now let's go ahead and get into the hair. This is their 20-inch kinky curly pre-everything wig, and this is in 150% density, and it does come with their ear tape. And they call it pre-everything because it comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. And here's how the ear tabs look inside of the wig. This wig also has ear-to-ear lace, so you can literally part it anywhere you want. Middle part, side part, you can do anything. So the first thing that I did was just take my lace tint spray in the color light warm, and I just applied it to the wig just so that it can perfectly match my scalp. Then I put the wig on and adjusted it to how I wanted it. And like I said, this is a pre-everything wig, so it does come pre-cut, and I absolutely love that. I love when wigs come literally ready to wear. So all I'm doing right now is taking my wax stick, and I applied that around the part, and then I take my flat iron and just flatten the area, and this just helps to make your wig look a lot more natural. I literally started doing this maybe like the middle of last year. I started doing this method, and I definitely see like a big difference in how my wigs look. I just think that it just makes it look so nice, and I used to not do it on curly hair, but it looks good on curly hair too, so I definitely recommend doing this step. So now I'm just going to go ahead and continue pressing the hair out, and then I will catch back up with you guys a little later on in the video. And I just wanted to quickly show you guys the difference between pressing one side out and then the other side. But I went ahead, did the same thing to the other side. Now I'm applying some lace tint powder to the hairline, and I just love doing this step. I don't even know if it makes a huge difference, but I just love doing this. Now I'm going to go ahead and pin my hair back and stick down the ear tape. So first you want to make sure that the area is nice and clean. So I just took a little makeup wipe and just wiped off that area. Then I fanned it to make sure that it was dry. After that, I just peeled the tab off of the tape, and then you literally just stick it down in that area. Like I said, I really just love this concept because this is a glueless wig, but it's nice to have that extra security on the side, so you don't have to worry about your wig slipping off, or if the wind is a little extra windy that day, you don't have to worry about anything like lifting up. And it's a great alternative to not having to put glue on your hair, because you know that can get very like damaging over time. You literally just stick the tape down, and it's super easy to come off. It holds in place fine, but it's also easy to remove it. Now I'm moving on to styling the hair, and y'all know my little process for curly hair. I usually just wet the hair down, and then I take some foaming mousse and define the curls. I also like to use like a dimming brush towards the end of the hair just to kind of clump the curls together. But yeah, it's a super easy process, definitely can't go wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead and define the curls, and then I'll catch back up with you guys. after I finished defining the curls, I just added a little foam to the top of my hair just to get everything nice and set. Then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer and just diffuse the hair and get it nice and dry. And then whenever I have curly hair, I just love to cut it and just make it frame my face. To me, this also just helps it look a lot more natural. So I just took my scissors and cut the hair on both sides. After that, I'm going to go in and just kind of redefine the curls that got a little frizzy in the front due to me cutting them. And then I fluff the hair out because I love a big hair, and then I will show you guys the end results. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look, and I am so in love with these curls. I love how natural the hair looks. And here is a look at the ear tape. It is nice and secure. I just love me a nice natural wig that I can throw on, and I love that this one is glueless. I also love that it's literally pre-everything. It comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked, and it has deep parting. So I have a middle part today, and I can literally switch it up and do me a nice little deep side part tomorrow. And again, this is their 20-inch kinky curly wig, 150% density, and it's their pre-everything wig, and it also comes with their invisible ear tab tape. So I will have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.